This video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI agent in n8n with the AI node. By the end, you'll have a simple but powerful agent running right from your workflow editor, and you'll know exactly how to test it and make it live. Start in your n8n workflow editor. In the left panel, find the search bar labeled Search Nodes and type AI. This quickly filters the available nodes so you don't need to scroll. When you see the AI node appear, select it to add it to your canvas. If you're prompted for credentials, click Create New Credential. Choose your preferred AI service provider and enter your API key. Keep this key private and make sure your account has access to the models you want to use. When you're done, click Save so n8n can securely store the credential and let the node talk to the AI service. Back in the AI node, set the resource to chat. This tells the node that we're creating a chat-style interaction, ideal for instruction-following agents. Then, set the operation to create, which means we're going to create a fresh chat completion each time the workflow runs. Next, scroll to the Messages section and click Add Message. Set the role to User. This indicates that the message is coming from the person giving instructions to the AI. In the Content field, type the instructions for your AI agent. Be specific and helpful here. For example, define the agent's purpose, tone, and constraints. You can include guidance like how concise it should be, what format to respond in, and what it should avoid. Clear instructions result in more reliable outputs. With the message in place, it's time to try it out. Click Execute Workflow. n8n will run the node and send your prompt to the AI service. When it finishes, review the AI output in the node's panel. Look for correctness, clarity, and whether the response aligns with the goals you set. If the result isn't quite right, tweak your instructions in the Content field and run it again until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the output, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This stores your configuration so you won't lose your setup. Finally, turn on the active toggle to make your AI agent live. When active, the workflow will execute based on how you choose to trigger it within n8n, using the configuration you just set. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.